my attempt at taking the extra C-channel and making a kick-ass overhang on the front wall above my 12-12 door. We'll see how it turns out. Using 3/16 so it'll have some structure and hold the weight. I guess the long and the short is 60-inch cutoffs, cutting them into 30-inch so I can get two, and then roughly probably 5/12 pitch, but 1/4-inch plate or 3/16 plate in the back. I'll drill 2 holes, weld 2 nuts in there. This will bolt to the wall of these, and then I'll sheet metal down it and make a kick-ass overhang on the main door out of scrap for the cost of welding wire and gas. But now I gotta find a fast way to duplicate. So it's another late night. We're gonna kind of do a speedy tutorial here. I've got 8 of these cut. I cut them in half. They're exactly 30 inches a piece. Now I'm just putting the angles on it and duplicating the first one where it'll bolt to the building, and then the overhangs will be just flattened. But I need them all to be somewhat the same. So we're gonna rip through all these real quick. And when we get to the next step, I'll do some more explaining. So I'm at step 699. No, I'm just kidding. You can see that I'm trying to duplicate them as close as all the same as I can. I'm gonna have 8 of them. I'm not sure how far I'm gonna space them. If I'm gonna cover more than the front wall, that 12-12 door. Might make a little one for the man door as well. But basically time consuming, but cutoffs. So free kind of addition, decorative look for my steel pole barn, steel structure, whatever the label should be on it. But I got some more cutting to do. And trust me, the awkward quietness, if I knew how to jam Metallica or edit it in here, I would have. And yes, I am winging it. I don't really have a blueprint or directions to go off of. I looked at a picture on Google Images and thought, hey, that looks cool. So again, I am just going by whatever I think it should look like or how to build it. Tell you what almost happened here. If I didn't turn these into an overhang, it was probably going to end up into a go-kart chassis or a really shiny lawnmower. From there, it's perfect. From here, ugh. But it's a hobby, it's fun. I just know the anticipation of what's this dumb redneck building? He's got to be building. We're building up. Because it probably looks like some stupid, ridiculous, long process for nothing. We'll see. Oh, stay tuned. I know the gas can over there is not full of gas. My mistake for mixing all these up. Closest. I know it seems lengthy, but if I keep doing projects at, I don't know what you want to call it, this quality or with this much heart, eventually this property compound will be fucking sweet. But I don't like anybody, so nobody will ever actually get to check it out. Kidding. Yes, you are witnessing a what am I building here? Oh, okay, I think I figured it out. You were waiting for me to try to weld with it on the wrong one. I know you were. You're gonna put your special self-leveling eyes on it. Make sure it's straight. Perfect. All this work and I almost got 2 done. I'm plating it with this heavy shit because it's going to be holding some weight. But actually, I gotta cut one of these out of here. Where I need a plasma table, torch mate. Would be nice. Real nice. We'll use this for bloopers. Come on, Mark. Come. Come on, they never run out. Oh, you won't believe it. More cutting. Cool man shades on. So I do enough welding and grinding that I have burned up about 4 of these things. And my corded one, the brushes are shot. So it's just wiring batteries down. Want to hear it? It's better than smoking. I'm basically a doctor. With that dust, that's just for visual effects to make it look like I'm working hard. Like gloves. I got really calloused hands, but I mean, I want to feel when I cut into my hand. I don't want a glove to cover that up. I want to see the damage so you don't keep going too far. I call it guy time. I never realized when I go to do a project, in my head it makes sense. It's gonna look sweet, but the time it takes to build everything from scratch or by hand is daunting. I'm still kind of justifying the length of time this will take, but come on, they're gonna look sweet. I might clear them so they all stay shiny and silver, but the welds on them, I mean, they're not the greatest, but I'm kind of speeding through it. And if it doesn't make sense yet, this is gonna bolt to my wall, come down, that's why I'm flattening it. The sheet metal will sit on top, and obviously there'll be several of these. And that'll be the overhang. I just gotta figure out what color steel I wanna do. If I wanna do the roof Galvin grayish silver I have on there now, the extra red I have on the wall. I thought white would probably look pretty good, but we'll see. I gotta go and weld all these, and then the cutoffs from the triangle from making the pie cut is gonna fill this side. How'd that go? Again, just winging it. My bad. That's that pile. Yeah, this does the front. Or the bottom. And it's not that I need to fill them completely in. I'm just trying to make them look somewhat finished. Obviously that side's full. It wouldn't take much, but I'm guessing when it's on the wall and the sheet metal's on top of it, you probably won't even notice it. And I thought that's probably where I'll run my wiring for the LED lighting I was going to put in the overhang. But it doesn't look like much now. But stay tuned, it's going to be effing sweet. Alright, it's pretty late morning. Or early morning. It's the morning, so I'm giving it a break. But I'm hoping you can kind of see what I'm building here. Those will go on the end wall over the doors, and then I'll sheet it in that corrugated roofing material, and I'll have a 2.5, roughly 3 foot overhang. So when it's raining, I'm dry. So due to time restraint here, this is the overhang with the sheet metal on it, with the frames that I've been building. And this is 12 foot of it. I think I made enough frames to do damn near 30 foot. So the building is 40 by 60. I'll be able to do almost the whole front wall, which will cover the man door and the garage door. It should look good on the front, but we'll see soon. I gotta find a way to lift it without ripping it in two pieces. It's pretty strong, but I need to do a controlled lift and not buckle it. And the next image I'll end up posting is it being above the door, and doing that front wall will be where the overhang ends up. Just the little details that I think make it look awesome and finished.